Are you finding some difficulties that how to give the answers of the follow-up questions? Are you really worried about your follow-ups, or you have no idea that at what length you have to speak in the follow-up and how many sentences you have to add and what should be your opinion? So if you want to know all the answers of all these questions and then some sample follow-ups you want to listen, then stay tuned till the end of the video, because in this video I'm going to give some tips how to solve the follow-up, how to give the answers of the follow-up questions, and how you can give answer of some follow-up. Here I am just describing those. Hopefully this would be helpful. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Hi there, my name is Sapna Dhamija, one of the IELTS experts at YP platform. So many students ask me about the follow-up questions. They write me on WhatsApp, Instagram, or they write me some other on social media platform that ma'am, how to answer the follow-up questions. So here are some tricks and tips that how you can give the answer of the follow-up question. First of all, you need to take care of the length of the answer. Many students, they just finish their answer in 1 or 2 sentences, but this is quite wrong. Yes, it's very wrong. You need to elaborate your answer between 4 and 5 sentences. This is important, and very important thing is that you need to give the strong opinion in the follow-up part. Sometime you may be examiner may ask you some why and how questions when they will not be satisfied with your answer. Don't worry about that. You just can add on one more idea with the previous elaboration, but this is advisable. Don't skip your previous elaboration, whatever you mentioned to the examiner, and then just add one more idea with that previous elaboration, because here the examiner will try to trap you or they may try to confuse you. So don't worry about this. Just try to add some more ideas including your past answer, right? So how you can answer of these questions, here I'm just going to give the answer of few questions here so you can understand what type of answer you can give. They are asking about advantages and disadvantages, then you need to elaborate every aspect. They are asking about positive and negative, then you need to elaborate every aspect, be it positive or negative. Or when they are asking something like what people can learn, what students can learn, what children can learn, then talk about both positive or negative sides. And even start with the good starter always. Use good vocabulary. Try to play with the grammar. Try to use active, passive, complex and compound sentences also. So you need to take care of all these things. Whatever the criteria is for the cue card, the same criteria is for the follow-up also. You need to take care of that part too. So here I am going to answer of some questions, and before proceeding further, here I would like to announce we are providing speaking online and writing classes, group classes and one-on-one classes as well. If you guys wish to enroll, then you can, and the new batches are going to start from 21st of June.
People choose to travel by public transport.
Well, there are various reasons. Many people prefer to choose public transportation, and here I would like to define few of them. From my point of view, the first reason could be the cost effectiveness. Public transportation is cost effective and everyone can easily afford it. There is no need to spend money on the maintenance, on fuel, so people easily can travel one place to another place at very economic rates. And the second reason could be the traffic avoidance. Nowadays the traffic congestion could be seen everywhere, in every nook and corner of the city or the world around. So it is really helpful to save people from that traffic congestion, and people even can save their time when they are not becoming the part of traffic congestion almost every day. And thirdly, I would say in the public transportation, people get more convenience because extensive transportation services are available everywhere and people can easily reach to their destinations. So I think these are certain reasons why people are taking more and more public transportations nowadays.
Why do more and more people like to travel by plane?
Well, there are again certain reasons. Many people or many individuals in the world prefer traveling by plane. First of all, it's very fast. Traveling by plane is very fast and prompt. People can reach at their destination within no time. It saves their ample amount of time. That is why people nowadays picking to travel by plane. And secondly, the convenience itself. Nowadays the modern airplanes are designed in such a way which they are offering comfort and facilities, for example in-flight entertainment, meal and comfortable seats. That's why people are preferring journey by planes nowadays.
What kind of occasions require people to send money as gifts?
Oh yes, so there are so many reasons and there are so many occasions why people are giving money or why people can send money as a gift to others, especially in my community. Like India is a very vast country and it has very diverse culture, and people believe in giving money as a gift to their children, and people believe in giving money to their descendants. So, and there are so many occasions and it is thought to be auspicious in my country, especially in India, and there are so many occasions when people can send money as a gift to others. First of all, I would say during weddings, whenever there is a wedding, then people can give money as a gift. These monetary rewards can be beneficial to start the new life of the new wed, and above all they can contribute in the honeymoon funding too. And secondly, during the baby shower, this is really very important part of the community, and whenever parents they are they are giving birth to a baby, so during the baby shower, that parents or elders of the family, they can give money as a gift, and this money could be useful for raising the children, for raising that new baby that who is coming in the world. And thirdly, I would say on the occasion of retirement, this is also a very auspicious occasion in every country when people get retired from their work. So on the occasion of retirement, people can send money or monetary rewards to those people who are getting retirement. Okay.
Why do people rarely use cash now?
Well, there are plethora of reasons people are using less cash or they are rarely using cash. First of all, I would say that digital payment system nowadays, the cashless economies are coming, and people are using lots of different virtual methods, like they are using credit cards and debit cards or contactless less cash, and even some other mobile methods they are using. So these are very easy, convenient and even the safe in terms of security. People do not need to worry about taking a lot of money in their pockets. There could be many chances of stolen money or theft. So when these digital payments are available, and it is making people more secure, and they can easily travel without any worry, and they can even utilize that payment method wherever they are standing, wherever they are, be they are in their city, at home, or any other part of the country or any other part of the world. So they can utilize these easy methods.
Is it necessary to teach children to save money?
Oh yes, of course, why not? This is I guess this is really mandatory to teach children about the saving money. In this way they will learn about the importance of money. They will learn that how it is important to save money for their future, for their career perspective, and moreover they will learn a lesson from their elders and teachers not to waste money and not to waste their money on some unimportant things. So when they are taught the important lessons of the saving money and how they can protect their money, so they can utilize that money in more good ways. So I guess this is very effective method, and that should be, and children should taught how to utilize their money.
Should parents reward children with money?
Yes, why not? They can. In fact, they are doing so. I guess in many societies, parents are rewarding their children with the money, and this is really a good activity. It's a brave initiative. It's a welcoming idea, because when they are rewarded, then they must understand budgeting. They must understand that saving or even the smart expenditure, how to do that. Moreover, it gives them the financial responsibility, that how they can be responsible toward the finances, and moreover it gives them more freedom and liberty. So definitely it should be. Thank you so much.